If you're looking for a way to compress or reduce the file size of a bunch of images, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do this using Adobe Photoshop. Let's get into it. Okay, so to start with, we need to go ahead and put all the images that we want to compress into one folder. I've done that here. I've got a bunch of holiday photos in this folder and we're going to go ahead and compress them all together in Photoshop. Next, what we want to do is go ahead and open Photoshop, choose File, go down to Scripts and select Image Processor. Now this is going to bring up the window that's going to allow us to process all of those images we just saw in the folder. Now what we need to do is go ahead and choose Select Folder. I'm going to go ahead and find where my folder is. It's on my desktop. You simply select the folder and then choose Open. Next, we need to choose where we want the images to be saved. Now, I typically just select Save in Same Location. Photoshop will go ahead and create a JPEG folder within that folder of all of your compressed images. Step 3 is to choose your file type. You can really play around with this, but the best settings I've found to use are Save as JPEG and then I set the quality to 5. With these settings complete, I then just simply press Run. What Photoshop is going to do is going to bring in all of your images and it's going to compress them and it will bring them up one by one like you can see here. Obviously, if you've got multiple images, this will take some time. If you only have a few images like I did just there, it doesn't take too long. Now, if we go into that images folder, we can see that Photoshop created that JPEG folder. And if we click into that, we can now see that all of our images have significantly lower file sizes than what they had previously. So this image here was 2.7 meg, it's now 1.4. This image here was 999, it's now 458, so on and so forth. Now this is really useful when you come to uploading pictures to social media or websites. When uploading images, smaller file sizes are favourable, and using this method allows you to do that without taking away too much of the quality. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.